4, 3, 2, 1.
A letter? Whoa. Free trip to the Alamo for 4. Now, who should I bring? James?
Nice.
Sam?
Yes.
And Willie Travis.
Cool.
Oh snap! Get your guns ready. It's about to go down. All the volunteers in this place at the deck, stay on the heels of your boots. We control this place. Let's go!
I'm in the Alamo. I'm in the Alamo. Everybody look at me, cause I'm fighting in the mo. I'm in the mo. I'm in the mo. Take a good hard look, cause you're never gonna know. I'm in the mo, man. Take a look at me. Straight shooting on the men, charging towards me. Busted 5 caps while bullets go slow. You can't stop the Texans cause we're in the mo. Take a picture, Houston, cause we're coming to your mo. We're bringing lots of men cause we know you're gonna choke. I got my musket and my leather booties. We're fighting Texans, you are losing, we got lots of time. I'm riding on my horsey with 1,000 men. I'm riding too fast, getting all them Texans upset. This ain't America. This is real as it gets. I'm coming to the mo. Texans, don't you ever forget.
I'm in the mo, and it's battle slow, and I got a rule to follow. That's to protect, man. Welcome to our land. My name is Davey Crockett, and you're on our land. Then you better get off it. Get off now, or we'll bring you out.
Cutting our exports, getting bankers, taking our money. It's a depression out there. Cash roll stopping, gotta get out of here.
Hey guys, if you can see me now, army spread wide on the Mexican bow. Gonna win this battle on my own somehow. Like the Spartans, anything's possible.
Yeah, I never thought be winning this war. It's the 13th day horde. Crockett, look at me.
Oh, get your guns ready!
Never thought I'd see the day. Brunettes moving the capital way. Believe me when I say I rule the Alamo.
I'm in the Alamo.
I'm in the Alamo. Everybody look at me, cause I'm fighting in the mo. I'm in the mo. I'm in the mo. Take a good hard look, cause you're never gonna know.